Millionaires don't wait decades to build wealth. They use these 5 accelerated paths that most people completely ignore. First path is real estate investing. While everyone's paying rent, smart money is buying properties that pay them every month. One duplex can replace your salary if you know what you're doing. The cash flow starts immediately, and the appreciation builds your net worth on autopilot. Second is digital businesses. We're talking online courses, affiliate marketing, drop shipping. The overhead is practically zero, and the profit margins are insane. I've seen people go from broke to 6 figures in under 2 years, just selling their knowledge online. Third combines high-income skills with extreme frugality. Learn sales, coding, or copywriting, then live like you're still broke. Banking 70% of a 6-figure income creates wealth faster than any investment strategy. Fourth is acquiring cash-flowing assets. Think dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, or buying existing profitable businesses. These assets work while you sleep, generating passive income that compounds monthly. Fifth is starting early with index funds. Time is your biggest advantage here. Someone investing $500 monthly from age 25 will have more wealth at retirement than someone investing $2,000 monthly starting at 40. The compound interest does all the heavy lifting. The difference between rich and poor isn't luck or background. It's understanding that money needs to work harder than you do. Pick one of these paths, commit to it completely, and start this week. Your future self will thank you when you're financially free while everyone else is still trading time for money.